been a very long time since we started planning this 3-week road trip. Meet my cousin Coni and Vicente. Yes, our names are the same and we also grew up together. Let me show you our route. We'll start home in New Orleans, followed by Navarre Beach, Florida. We'll visit Disney World, first time for Coni and myself. Next, St. Augustine and its history, the city of Savannah, then to the mountains in Asheville, and we'll finish with Suchas at Chattahoochee National Forest. New Orleans is a touristic city and very well known for their distinct music and nightlife, multiple festivals throughout the year, a very rich culture, Creole and Cajun food, and for sure its French and Spanish architecture. Aidan and I had a list of must-do things in New Orleans prepared for the guys, and we decided to start at City Park. With 1,300 acres, this is the largest park in town and also one of the largest in the country. Here's where the guys will try Nola's famous beignets at Café du Monde. These are fluffy square pieces of dough, fried and covered with powdered sugar.
Closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see.
Could I get a portion of beignets and a small cafe au lait?
Let's see where the sun might lead.
¿La reacción de los beignets?
No. Tu primero beignets.
Chilenos prueban beignets.
Are you ready?
Chilenos prueban beignets.
Dirían que sabe como a...
Sí, tiene un aire.
Es igual, sí. Pero es como más fluffy.
Es más fluffy, sí, es como pancito.
Wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine. It's holding up a great big welcome inside. Life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard? But you, your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where
Next on the list, Poboys at very local Frankie and Johnny's.
it's for living. Let's see where this song might lead.
¿Qué está pasando, Coni? Cuéntanos.
Las cigarras están haciendo un sonido muy fuerte, pero no alcanzamos a grabarlo, porque cuando lo vamos a grabar se
Ahí viene de
callan.
nuevo, ¿o no? Eso, ahí está empezando. Ahora, ahí.
Es más fuerte.
Before heading downtown, we couldn't stop from taking Coni and Vicente around St. Charles Avenue in a little streetcar ride. Welcome to Audubon Park. Located in Uptown, this is where Aidan and I would go ride bikes, do some bird watching, or rollerblade. There is also a really nice golf course. And we came here just because we really love it. One of the places you have to see once in NOLA is the French Quarter, one of the most historic neighborhoods in the city. The perfect place to go for a walk and explore. Coni, ¿dónde estamos?
We are in French Market, in French Quarter, New Orleans.
¿Qué te parece so far?
Tenemos que llegar antes, a más temprano, mira, son casi las 5 de la tarde y se están yendo. Pero porque hoy día es un día feriado. Mira esa polera.
Oh,
Primera compra en Nueva Orleans para mí, de mí para mí. Ya, segunda compra, pralines.
Pralines, ya, vamos a hacer la prueba del gusto.
Es algo como un dulce de leche, parece, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Buena.
Esto es como de manjar.
Sí.
Es una caludita. Ay, prima, por favor.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no mobiles, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rollin' in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stab me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate.
Delicious.
I just need a couple minutes.
After some snowballs and purple drinks at Bourbon Street, it's time for some live music at Frenchmen. is so much to do around this city, and that's why we grabbed some bikes and explore a little bit of the Garden District. We visit some famous houses like the one from American Horror Story. Later that day, we grabbed some frozen margaritas and finished our ride with some must-have charcoal oysters at Beignets Seafood and Spirits. It wouldn't be a complete visit without stopping by the swamps of Louisiana. After a 30-minute drive, we got to young Lafitte looking for alligators, so we joined a swamp tour. This is only the first stop in our road trip. Coni and Vicente are loving it out here, and luckily we had the chance to visit one of the newest attractions in town together. Vuo Orleans is an interactive experience where you can learn all things about New Orleans, finishing with a 360 observation deck with the best view of the city.
Yes, indeed. Got some sweat.
Once in the observation deck, you can point a direction of the city and read about its history, something that we absolutely loved. Couldn't believe they also had king cake available, a cake that we only eat during Mardi Gras season.
Oh, te pasaste.